This Mountain Escooter is an open source design which you are free to use. You don't find your purpose. It's not like some kind of buried treasure. You decide your purpose. And if you decide your purpose is to carve joyous turns, at least you're not hurting anyone. And who knows, you just might help save the world by building the least expensive electric vehicles capable of real off-pavement travel. What if you could build and help design the best mountain e-scooter for the ultimate in joyous turns and epic rides, even on the toughest of remote rural terrain? And what if you could help others carve joyous turns? And maybe make money too. Ultimately, what if you could help the world transition to ultra-compact electric vehicles? Because they're fun. I have been mountain biking for 35 years now. I love to ride. I love to carve turns. And riding a mountain e-scooter is as fun as mountain biking or e-biking. Maybe even more. Why? Because it just feels right. You can pick your stances. On a deck clear of obstructions. If you propel yourself with kicks, the lunge feels totally natural and is bound to increase your running strength. And mostly because it feels like you can do things you never thought you could. Have you ever dreamed of skiing or snowboarding in the summer? A mountain e-scooter can feel like that, even going uphill. Have you ever dreamed of skateboarding on rough Rocky Mountain e-bike trails? A mountain e-scooter can feel like that, but with brakes. Have you ever dreamed of surfing on dry land? The mountain e-scooter can feel like that, but with 10,000-foot high waves. And if you just like to hike, it can get you to the trailhead without having to drive a car. You don't even have to use the motor. Is it expensive? You decide. Is it fast? You decide. Is it safe? It sometimes feels safer than an e-bike, because when the ride gets too wild in slow technical sections, you can easily dab, kick, or step off and land on your feet. Will it ride the toughest of terrain? Convert to a snow e-scooter? Carry a passenger? Pull a trailer or another scooter? Or endlessly charge from a solar panel on a trailer? Help us design that. Download the Mountain e-scooter design at wikifactory.com. Build it. Write it. Sell it. Build another. Go to wikifactory.com and search for Mountain e-scooter. wikifactory.com, Mountain e-scooter.